Now, the cold is rough on everybody, Wolf. We're at a tent that has been here since day 3 after Superstorm Sandy. And this was set up by a woman who lives in one of the other boroughs of New York City and set this up with the help of donations, donating the tent and donating, for example, inside this area. She's got car seats and canned food and water and this kind of thing. And inside the tent, she has been providing meals for people at its height, 100 meals a day. And now it is being used for people who more or less want to hang out. And if they don't want to go to a shelter, they come here. Let's take a look inside, where they can get, you can see, a nice buffet line set up here where they can come and eat. And people who are residents of this area, their homes may be okay, but they're still coming around here to talk to each other and get strength from each other. Other people who don't want to go to shelters can stay here if they want to. Mainly it's volunteers who are keeping an eye on things here at night for those who decide to sleep here. But Donna Graziano, you've been doing such wonderful work here. You know, this cold is affecting everybody. Snow is even predicted tonight. How do you think you're doing your part to help these people? What are they telling you?
I'm keeping them warm, but it's really not about the cold. There are other issues here that need to be taken care of. Like there are people that need money from their insurance and FEMA to rebuild. That's what their concerns. That's what they're worried. There are little children with no homes right now that are standing behind me. That's what the people need to start worrying about, and the government needs to step in and take care of.
Is there an idea here that you think that more work needs to be done? Is the government working quickly enough?
No, and definitely more work needs to be done. We're in the fight of our lives, and we're going to be fighting for a very long time. We should not be left out in the cold like this, literally. But it's not only about the cold. Everyone started coming in because of the cold. Yes, 10 blankets can keep us warm. We can huddle together to keep warm, but we have no homes. People are living here with no heat, no electricity, all the basic needs. This is the United States of America. That is a disgrace in the greatest country of the world.